Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make YouTube channel private. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up any of your browser on your PC or laptop. So after opening up any of your browser, you have to simply go to search bar and simply search for youtube.com. You guys can also open it from go to new tab and simply go to the apps here. So after coming to apps and simply click on YouTube to open up the YouTube application. So after opening up the YouTube official website, now you guys have to simply go to the top right corner of your account. So you have to just simply tap on your account picture. So after tapping on your account picture, all the option of your account will be visible here. So what you have to do is just simply go to YouTube Studio here. So just simply tap on YouTube Studio. So after tapping on YouTube Studio, your YouTube Studio will be opened here. Now here you have to just simply go to settings here below, which is the second last option is settings. Just simply tap on it to open up your settings in the YouTube Studio. So after coming to settings, now you have to simply select the second option, which is channel. So after coming to channel, here you have to simply go to the second tab, which is advanced settings. So after coming to advanced settings, just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option, which is last one is remove YouTube content. So you have to just simply tap on it. So after typing on it, it will redirect you to your Google security section. So here what you guys have to do is just simply you have to enter the password of your YouTube account. So after entering the password of your Google account, you have to just simply click on next. So after clicking on next, it will ask you for two options. The first one is hide my YouTube channel and second one is permanently delete my YouTube channel. So if you want to hide it, you guys can absolutely select the first option and just simply click on next and your YouTube channel will be private in this way. So if you want to permanently delete, you guys can select the second option here. So I hope this is the method to hide your YouTube channel very easily. So I hope this method finds you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.